lecture, we will talk about efficiency and effectiveness of a process, and we will see how they are in trade-off each other. Efficiency is defined as the capability of the process to optimize the ratio between output value and used resources. Effectiveness, instead, is the capability of the process of achieving the targeted objectives, namely achieving an output that satisfies the customer needs. Efficiency contributes to reach the company goals by decreasing the total costs, while effectiveness determines an increase in sales and turnover by generating a higher customer satisfaction or a higher number of customers. Referring to the different operational performances we saw in the dedicated lecture, we can say that time and cost typically determine the efficiency of the process, while quality and flexibility typically determine the effectiveness of the process. We must underline how the same process is characterized by a plurality of performances. Thus, when we put in place an action that is aimed at improve one dimension, such as the quality, it may be that we will impact also on the other dimensions, such as, for example, time and cost. Usually, when we improve one dimension, the other dimensions will probably get worse. This is because different performances of a process, and especially efficiency and effectiveness, are in trade-off each other. We can try to manage this trade-off by identifying the trade-off curves, which is the set of optimal points determined by the current technologies, competencies, and management methods. A process can have an optimal performance, such as A, B, and C cases, or a suboptimal performance, such as the D case, because the process is performing with an effectiveness and efficiency level that can be both improved with existing current technology and methods. So, first of all, we must be sure that the process is operating within the optimal curve. Second, we must check which are the strategic priorities of a company. For example, a textile company working for a high luxury fashion brand may decide to position itself on the curve so to maximize effectiveness and not efficiency, such as the C case. Finally, we must say that in competitive and innovative contexts, we may need to change the optimal curve by moving the curve up in order to survive in the market. How can we do it? By introducing new technologies, competencies, and management methods, as it happened, for example, in the manufacturing industry with the introduction of just-in-time, that improved timeliness toward the final customer, improving effectiveness, but also reduced the stock levels, saving costs and so improving efficiency.